Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Glenn.
Hello.
So this is the end of the class. We have completed 5 days of training.
That's pretty
We have
intense.
gone through the whole book. And so, can you please share with everybody out there what is it that you learned in these 5 days of intense training?
Sure. So a lot. We started from the ground up and how to create tables and other things like views and indexes and stored procedures and functions and how to integrate it with managed code and how to, there's other types, data types that you can use and how to expand SQL Server and lots of things. But yeah, that's kind of a general view of everything that I learned.
We did 20 modules in 5 days. It's pretty intensive. 4 modules a day.
Yep.
And I must say, all of you were very patient. All of you were very interactive. Everybody asked a lot of questions. And I also learned a lot because, as you know, this is a vast subject. There is so much in there.
It's a lot.
But I really liked the whole atmosphere because you guys made it fun, made it interactive and enjoyable.
I think
And
that's good too.
Thank you, thank you. And even though this was a very intense, learning because we had to go through 20 modules, I think the end goal is that if you have at least now a fundamental knowledge is the key. So if you get a fundamental knowledge of how to use this product, I think that is very important. Would you say you now have a fundamental knowledge of the 20 modules that we covered?
Yeah, I think so. And I think, the most important thing is that I've seen it, and now I can know where to look if I need to find out the specifics of whatever I've seen, or, if I need to find out more. But the basis is I've seen it, and so I could have a general understanding, like you said.
Awesome,
Yeah.
excellent.
Thank you.
Congratulations for completing the class,
Yeah, thanks.
and look forward to seeing you in future classes.
Absolutely.
All right, here we come to Nam. How are you?
Good.
So, what did you learn?
I've learned so much. I don't know, I could take me a few hours to talk about it all.
Okay.
So a few things are how to create stored procedures, how to create functions, how to create triggers, how to do exceptions, talked about deadlocks, and just how to use the profile manager. Just so much things that just filled my brain.
Oh, okay, very good. Can you share with them some of your other experiences that you were telling me yesterday? Like you're taking other classes, and how is my teaching style different, and how does that help the learning process?
Well, so I've taken other Microsoft classes, and one thing that I noticed that's really great is I like how Professor Sam goes over the labs and goes over the answers and what they should be. And that's much better than some of my previous classes, which they just tell me to do the lab and they move on to the next section right after that without discussing what the lab was meant for and what we're supposed to kind of learn and what was the point of the lab. So.
Did the everyday morning recap or evaluation of what knowledge you gained the previous day help in reinforcing the knowledge, like what you learned the previous day? Because I made all of you educate me with what you had learned on the previous day or days, right? Which is what you're doing right now.
Right, I think it does help because it makes us have to refresh our memories and to keep it in our minds. That way we keep thinking about it, that way we'll remember it a little better.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Godwin, you want to say a few words?
I already did last time.
Well, can you just add a little bit? Now this is the end of the class. So what is it you learned? How did you benefit? How did you enjoy the class?
Well, I came to this class to come and learn a few things. I think I got everything that I needed thanks to Professor
My pleasure.
Professor,
My pleasure.
Professor
Thank you.
Sam. It was fun being in your class, and the clapping helped a little bit. You
Okay.
didn't get as many claps from us as you gave us, but
Oh,
it was all right. Next time we'll do it.
next time. Definitely. Next time. I like that. Next time. Definitely. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much. Thank you.